The first ingredient we're going to be using is nettle tea leaves. This is a natural beautifier for your skin. It has been shown to clear acne and eczema, as well as encourage healthy skin. The second ingredient we're going to be using is rosemary. Rosemary is perfect for reducing swelling and puffiness of the skin. It also helps to heal burns and soothe the skin, and it's really just perfect. It's a very, very powerful agent for your skin. So these are 2 ingredients we're going to be using in today's facial steam. Then you're going to pour hot water all over your tea leaves, and you're going to let it set for about 5 minutes. You don't really want to put your face over boiling hot water. And as you can see here, my skin is just going through it. Girl, I've been having such a rough time with my skin. It's been driving me nuts. So I decided to do a facial steam to really try and open up my pores and really clear out the toxins from my skin. So I'm just gonna grab a towel and cover my head, make sure there's no heat escaping, and just chill and hold a vibe. And this is just what my skin is looking like after. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm obsessed with this facial steam, so I really hope you guys like it as well. Let me know how it goes in the comments below. So please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next